In this question, it is given that sigma k is equal to 0 to 6, 51 minus k, C3 is equal to, you have to find the correct choice. Before I do this question, I would like to tell you that remember this formula, that KCK plus K plus 1 CK plus K plus 2 CK and so on up to NCK is N plus 1 C K plus 1. Note that when base is K, the starting point should be KCK, and wherever it ends, the final result is adding 1 in both the numbers. For example, if I say 7C7 plus 8C7 plus 9C7 up to 20C7, the result will be 21C8. And one more point to be noted is, for this formula to be applicable, if base is 7, the starting point should be 7C7. But suppose the question is of this type: 11C8 plus 12C8 plus 13C8, say up to 25C8. You can't directly write the answer as 26C9 because the starting point is not 8C8. Hence, in such a situation, we write it as 8C8 plus 9C8 plus 10C8. I am going to add these three terms and I will subtract it also afterwards. That is plus 11C8 plus 12C8 plus 13C8 up to 25C8 and minus 8C8 plus 9C8 plus 10C8. And now, with the help of formula, the sum of these terms becomes 26C9 and sum of these terms, here is also 8 was there, it will be 11C9. And using this discussion, I'll be doing this question. It's clear that this is equal to 51C3 plus 50C3 plus 49C3 up to 45C3, taking k equal 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 6. And if we write it in reverse order, we get 45C3 plus 46C3 plus 47C3 up to 51C3. And just now I told you that this is equal to, because base is 3, the starting point should have been 3C3 plus 4C3 plus 5C3 up to 44C3. These terms I am adding, and in last I will be subtracting also these terms, plus 45C3 plus 46C3 up to 51C3 minus 3C3 plus 4C3 plus 5C3 up to 44C3. And because base is 3, it is starting from 3C3, therefore the result will be adding 1 in both the numbers. I'll be getting 52C4 minus, here again the same formula, 3C3 is there and last is 44C3, therefore the result will be 45C4. Hence I can say third choice is correct choice.